how to generate a high quality image in OpenArt AI in 4K. Okay, so I'm over here in the homepage of OpenArt AI. Now I'm in the new workspace. Okay, if you are in the old one, if you are here, it says previous version. I'm gonna click on that. This is the old version. You will not find Nano Banana 2. Okay, and we'll be using Nano Banana 2 because it's the best right now. So if you are here, just go to the new workspace, and it's gonna redirect you to the new one. Now over here, let's go to create image. Under image, create image. Now it says here model. Make sure you are on Nano Banana 2, which is the new version here of Gemini 3.1 flash image model. It says it has a reference, and it gives you 4K image. Okay, so how do we use it? First of all, you can just give him a text, a beautiful woman, and it's gonna give you an image. But if you wanna use the reference, which is over here, you can upload your image that you want. Let's say I'm gonna upload this woman, and I'm gonna upload this guy, let's say 2 images. So now, as you can see over here, if you can see it, it says add image 1, and this one add image 2. So if I write, let's say I'm gonna remove it, I'm gonna do add, and then I'm gonna pick image 1, hugging, let's say image 2. So what is gonna happen? She's gonna hug the other guy. Okay, so you can say anything you want here, kissing, hugging, whatever you want to do, just a picture together. Now, in order to make it in high quality, we are gonna go to output, and then pick your aspect ratio. Vertical, we're gonna pick 9:16. For reels, if you want a different version, go ahead. But the resolution is the most important thing, because you don't wanna do 1K, 2K. You wanna do 4K for the best images. Now notice when you change the quality, the credits are gonna be higher. So over here it's gonna be 40 for, let's say, one image. It's gonna be 20, then 30, and this one 50. So 50 is not that cheap, but you know, it's okay. And then you can just generate the image. And as you can see over here, I made some great images. Over here it says, you see, under 4K. It says 4K, so this is the image, which is very high quality image. So let's generate one image. I'm gonna skip it, so you don't have to wait for it. Okay, so it's finished generating the image. So as you can see, this girl is hugging with this one. As you can see, it's very high quality, same dress, everything is the same. Like, I don't know, it's amazing. Now, if the image still not that good, you can generate. I usually like generating 2 images, because sometimes one is less better than the other. Like if we look at that one, as you can see, it had some issues here. I don't know what's that. And then I had this one, which is what I wanted. Also over here, the right one is what I wanted, not the left one. So when you generate 2 images, it gives you one bad and one good one. So make sure the more images you make, you will get a more quality image that you expected. Yeah, so make sure when you generate images, so 2 is better than 1. So yeah, this is how you generate high quality image in 4K with Nano Banana 2 in the new workspace of OpenArt AI. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.